All right, welcome back to the DM and Friends. I am DM Angelo, and I'm going to continue my series on how to be a better dungeon master. And today I'm going to talk about ending your session strong and why the last 5 minutes of your session matter the most. It's how you end your session, and I think that a lot of DMs completely waste this because here's the truth about this. People don't remember the middle of the session. People have very short memories, and they're not going to remember that what happened in the middle or the beginning, but they're definitely going to remember what it ended like. So most sessions end by accident. Someone checks the clock and says, wow, it's getting late, or dice, at that point dice get packed up and people drift out. um, that's a pretty normal way of games how they stop, and that's not an ending for a session. That's a fade out, and fade outs usually will kill momentum. So the last 5 minutes, will carry the week. Um, uh, your players live the game in between sessions, and that's what they'll talk about, and that's what they'll think about, and what they anticipate. And so that all comes down to the last thing that happened. Even week, even week endings will, the energy's going to die. So end them strong, and they'll be hooked for the next week. So you should plan an ending window, and that's what I try to do. Not the ending itself, but a window. I always know that when we hit the last 10 minutes, I'm steering towards a stopping point. That doesn't mean that I'm railroading them. It just means I have awareness, and if I'm the one that should be watching the clock, and as a DM, and if you do that, you'll be able to get to that window. And strong sessions, endings come in three flavors in my book. And number one is the cliffhanger. And this is the classic, right? The door opens and you stop the session, or footsteps echo and come to an end. Something moves in the dark, or the truth drops about something. Stop before the resolution of it, and don't explain it. Don't be soft spoken about it. Just end it on an inhale. Um, the other thing is, it's cliffhanger and then fallout, not action. So, combat doesn't need to be an ending, right? Sometimes it's the best ending is counting the cost, realizing what went wrong. A big shift in combat. Seeing that when the consequences land for combat. The enemy is dead, but the guards are coming. Here comes wave two. That's going to stick. Another way, you have one of the one, two, and then three. The third way is a hard choice, and this is kind of my favorite. Two bad options, right? No time to decide. You got to make a decision. So think about it, and we'll pick up here. Leave them like that. Boom, and that'll make them think for the whole week. Until you come back, and that's that lives rent free in their heads for a whole week. Um, don't end after a resolution. This is, I think, is a common mistake, and I've seen it actually happen. If there's a big thing that is resolved, play a couple more minutes. Let the world react to that resolution. Let the tone settle. Let consequences surface again. Then stop. But don't, like, right after a resolution, just stop the game and be done with it. You want to give them something to think about for the week, and to kind of chew on for the week. So never stop on a bookend. So when it is getting ready to come to an end, say it loud and clear. When you're ending a session, be clear about it. And I try to do this, and I actually do. All right, we're stopping here. Say that. and that tells the table that this moment matters. And sometimes they'll try to get another action in, or a verbal thing in quickly. But that's a really great practice to get into, is announce the stop of the session. You know, ending. Hmm, Ending early is better than ending late. I think that if you have a strong ending that's ready, use it. Um, Ending 10 minutes early with impact is going to be stronger than dragging it out for 10 more minutes in for nothing. If you find a good stopping point, that's going to trigger something that they're going to think about, or a good kind of cliffhanger, like it's the cliffhanger, that's, I think, the most desirable place to stop a weekly campaign. You know, don't fear the pause either. Silence is a good end also. Um, Let the table sit on it. I've talked about this before. Don't fill it with the silence. Let just the silence be there, and then they'll jump in and react. Silence is a big tool for a DM. Don't explain. Just let them stew in that silence. And sometimes some of the most memorable times can be that silence. So what it looks like at my table, I'll watch the clock, and I look for the tension points, and then I cut it clean right there. Not I'm not rude about it. I'm just abrupt and intentional, very intentional when I stop the game. Um, for me, my last session was it was a very role playing session. They found a very key NPC. They had to deal with depleting resources and water supply and food, and failed hunting. And the ranger tried to hunt twice and failed, but they're tracking to this slaver stockade compound, and the way I stopped it was, they the ranger's up scouting, and he hears something. He hears the clanking of ring mail or chain mail, and he hears it now closer, and he hears it. Wow, there's not just one, but there's many. And spoiler alert: what's coming is a patrol looking for this NPC. And so where I stopped the game was, okay, how do you guys react? And so now what I'm trying to develop is, now they're going to think about, oh God, this encounter that's coming. What is it? Who is it? What are they going to do? How should we react? How do we take precautions and ready ourselves? So that was my whole goal for that session, was to stop it at a point where they're going to think about it and they're going to stew on it. So I think that's, if you kind of stick with those type of scenarios, or that kind of mindset, you're going to draw them back next week. Um, all right, you guys. Well, that's my final thought on this. A good inning, will make your players want to come back, and a good inning will um, makes them need to come back because they want to see what's going to happen. And respect that last 5 minute block of time that you have in your game every session. They do more. Um, that has more of a powerful punch, that last 5 minutes, than I think the whole session does. So remember that. Try to use it, and I think you're going to have some success there. All right. Well, that's another one. That's ending your session strong. If this helped, please hit like, subscribe. Tell me how you end your sessions in the comments below. I really appreciate it. And until next time, all right, take care and game on. Bye bye.